Today we are going to tour 2150 West Alameda Road, Unit 1039 in Phoenix, Arizona. By the end of this video, I hope you'll know whether this is a place you'd want to call home. Service Star Realty has been doing property management in Phoenix, Arizona since we opened our doors in 2011. We strive to be the best property management company in Phoenix. Welcome to this wonderful 2-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom Villagio condo with an attached 1-car garage. It is located in the desirable gated community of Villagio in North Phoenix. The community is located near freeways 17 and 101, as well as tons of shopping and dining. The great community pool, spa, and grilling area are also nearby. This end unit features all tile downstairs, as well as an amazing private back patio. And the spacious bedrooms are both primary suites with separate bathrooms. This home is available, and if you are interested in making this your home, please visit us at our website, leaseaz.com. You can view more photos of this home, make an appointment to view it at your own convenience, and you can apply for this home as well. Again, that's leaseaz.com. With a large living space, dining area, and a full-size washer and dryer, this home ticks all the boxes. Come view this beautiful home in Phoenix and apply today.